Hello to all fans of JDM culture. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Up for sale is a very rare JDM Honda Access Integra ST8 DC2 DB8 optional sliding armrest. This genuine accessory is extremely hard to find and adds a unique touch to your Integra's interior. The armrest is in good condition with minimal wear and tear. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of JDM history for your Integra. Price is negotiable, so feel free to make an offer. Shipping available worldwide. Message me for more details. To purchase this item, click on the link in the description below this video, where you can place your order. Thank you all for watching this video until the end. I will be glad to see you again on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and also share this video with friends. Until next time.